Hello, welcome to visit WMT CNC Machinery. Today we are glad to introduce you about our CNC grinding machine. The model number is Smart-52BCNC. So you can see this is equipped with the full cover and the power safety door lock. When you working, it cannot be opened. Okay, let's see the inside. The work table size is 250 mm wide and 520 mm length. The max distance between the spindle to work table is 450. The work table is electronic magnetic check, and the max loading is 150 kg. Okay, as it's a CNC machine, so it's equipped with a Siemens 808D controller. It is very easy to operate. If you want more details about this machine, please contact WMT CNC.